Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be making the best party jollof rice without meat stock. I mean, no chicken water, no beef water, no fish water. As in, I'm not even going to use fresh tomatoes or bell peppers, paprika and all that. Please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, biko subscribe, hit the like button on this video and leave a comment for me. Thank you. This cup I use it to measure flour, so that is the cup I use. 3 cups of rice. I have 3 sachets of tomato paste, not the type that they mix pepper and all that. I have my onion. Please use enough onion. Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm using, you can skip the peas, the green peas is actually for garnishing. White pepper. I have my seasoning cube. This is oregano, my bay leaf, garlic powder. I have curry, I have ginger powder, and the last one is chicken spice. I've washed my rice. I did not parboil. In this pot I'm adding vegetable oil. Sorry, what did I do? I just added onion without showing you guys. So the oil heated up and I added my onion. That's just the only thing I've added. So I'm adding the thyme now. Sorry, I did not show you guys thyme at the beginning. I forgot. So we are using thyme. So it's good to add the thyme now to, you know, wake up the flavor. Allow it to fry and let it start turning somehow browny. That's when the taste like comes out so well for the party rice. And so now I've added my tomatoes. I fried this about for about 5 minutes, yeah, and it was ready to, and then the sour taste was all gone. So I've added all the spices I showed you at the beginning. So we'll stir. At the other side of my burner I'm boiling some hot water. I will show you what I'm using it for. So this is my scotch bonnet. So the oregano, I blended the oregano together with the scotch bonnet. So I just added it now. I'm rinsing my blend. I want to make sure that everything, all the flavor is not some of my, that oregano is one of the spices I'm using, so I don't want it to be stuck in my blender jar. So I added the seasoning cube. See guys, the stew is looking like everything is complete. Like there is bell pepper, there is fresh tomatoes. See now, I'm adding salt. So we'll leave everything to allow the stew to fry for like another 3 minutes. Then I just added my rice. Make sure that everything is well combined before we add our hot water. See, our jollof is already looking like jollof. It is jollofing. So mix. So this is the time you check for salt. So we cover Like, this is my pot. It's among the first set of pots I use as a married woman. Some of the pots, the nuts where you grab the cover, as put off. But anytime I want to make perfect and I want to make good party jollof rice, I go back to that my old set of pots, because all these non-stick, they don't just give you what I want. Don't laugh at that my pot, so it doesn't have where you hold it, you want to open. This is after like 10 minutes. As you are seeing, this is done almost. Mix everything up, don't bother about whether it will it will burn or not. It will definitely get burnt in this party rice we are making. Now I'm adding my bay leaf. I dropped about 3 leaves, so I will just push it in so that the heat will help the flavor to come out. So I'll cover it again. I will leave it for like 5 minutes again. Guys, my rice is properly done. As you can see, it is good to go. Peas, I boiled it separately. Like I said, it's for garnishing, so I'm just adding it now to give it that popping color. Guys, look at party jollof. I hope you have subscribed to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. I love you.